Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Cyber Week sales video for all of you. There are just so many sales happening right now that I'm like, I have to share these deals with you guys. Got some new packages in the mail that I thought I'd try on some pieces with you guys. And after the try on portion, I'm gonna share a few more items that are must-haves to get for the Cyber Monday deals. I'm planning on doing an entire blog post, which I'll have linked below once it goes live. It should be live soon when this video goes up. So I'll have that link below for you guys. It'll be a complete guide to the best Cyber Monday deals, kind of like what I did for Black Friday, but for Cyber Monday. And if you want to check out some recent try-on hauls on my channel, like I did an Express one, an Old Navy one, all those are pretty new, so they'll probably still have all those pieces in stock. So if you want to check out any of those videos and see more in depth on each store, you could definitely do that as well. I think that's about it, so we're gonna get right into the try-on portion. Okay, so first up is this J.Crew Factory V-neck sweater. J.Crew Factory is having like a major site-wide sale, and this was one of my first picks. I just love this like as an everyday just cozy sweater, and the fit of it is so flattering. I love that it has like the side slit here, and as I said in the past, I love like a good V-neck sweater because you still wear your layering necklaces and still like dress up outfits. You could even pair this like with a cute mini skirt, and this is running true to size. I'll have all the sizing details in the description box below in case you guys want to check this out. Up next is this like caramel colored sweater, and this one is in a crew neck, but it's such a great basic. I could even see this like pictured with some camel or like brown colored over the knee boots. I think that would be such a cute just everyday outfit. Dress it up a little bit. And in this one I'm wearing the extra small, and I'd say it fits true to size. This even has just a nice thickness to it. This will keep you pretty warm. It's not like the warmest sweater ever, but it's certainly not like the thinnest. Up next we have this scarf and coat. I love this combination together. I think it looks so darling and so cute. We'll start with the scarf and then I'll take it off, and then I'll show you guys what the coat looks like without it on. But I got this like gray and blush plaid scarf. I think it's such a nice basic. It will go with just so many of my coats that I have, and then I just think it's a nice thickness to it. Like it'll really keep you bundled up and warm. Then this is what the coat looks like without the scarf. It's a gorgeous coat with this little collar here, and it fits true to size, I'd say. The sleeve on me, the sleeve length is a tad short, but my sweaters can always like peek through, and then the length of it, I'm 5'7", and it hits me right above the knee. So I love this color. It even looks cute paired with this sweater I showed you guys earlier. Up next I picked up this velvet short sleeve top. I think this would be great for a holiday party outfit. If it's a little bit more casual, you could wear it with jeans, or you could just do like some leggings or even a skirt. I think that would be so adorable. But I got it in this like blush colored, and it's so soft, and it's very nicely made. It has lining in it, so it just like glides right over your body. As far as sizing, I'm wearing the size extra small, so I would say if you're not sure, size down one size. And then I have to mention this coat because I got it last year, but being that it's on major sale, I just have to share it with you guys as it's like a top seller. So I got this one from the J.Crew Factory. It's very similar to the regular J.Crew Chateau coat. This one I'd have to say is a lot lighter, but they're both on major sale. But I just want to mention like this silhouette is just so gorgeous, so either way you just can't go wrong. If you don't have like super cold winters, I think the factory version is great, but if you have very cold winters and are looking for something very warm, then I would go with the regular J.Crew version. Okay, so we're gonna move on to Asos. I just kept my J.Crew Factory clothes on because I wanted to share this first item because I thought it paired perfectly with it, and it is this chunky knit scarf. Isn't it so darling? I love it so much, and I love it even more paired with this coat. I just love the color combination. If you guys follow me for a while, you know this is like my favorite. I just think it's so cute, and Asos is having a site-wide sale as well, and I just think this is just a definite must-have. So up next is another Asos piece, and it is this off-the-shoulder sweater. I love this one because it actually like stays up on me. I don't have to worry about it like sliding down constantly, which is great. And it's in this gorgeous blush color, and I love how you could just show off your shoulder. I think it makes such a cute like date night top for the winter time, or even just like another holiday party look with like a sequin skirt. I think that would be so cute. So I love this one. Fits true to size. Okay, up next is another holiday party dress, but this is gorgeous, like velvet. Don't know if you can tell, but it has like this crystal and pearl button detail, which just makes it like the ultimate holiday dress. Say it fits true to size. I'm just wearing it with some nude pumps here, but again, you can just dress it up with some crystal jewelry. I'd probably go more on the silver side with this, just as the buttons have some silver in it. I think this is such a nice classy look, but the buttons on it is just what makes it and makes it look a lot dressier. And also this is like a wrap style on the top, but it is sewn shut right here, so you don't have to worry about like the little wrap area. So cute. Okay, up next is Target, and Target is having a sale right now. It's gonna go on Sunday and Monday, and it's buy one any clothing, accessory, or pair of shoes, get the other one for 60% off, which is insane. So I thought I'd share this coat with all of you. It is this gorgeous red coat, and it has the faux fur trim on the hood area, and I love this so much. It's already starting to sell out in a bunch of sizes, so I would definitely grab it if you see your size online. As far as sizing on this, I would definitely say to size up because it could get a little tight in the shoulder area, especially if you want to wear this coat with a thicker, chunkier sweater. If you're wearing like a thinner, like say Henley like this underneath, then you probably could just get away with your regular size, but for bigger items underneath, then you would definitely have to size up. And this totally reminds me of the J.Crew and J.Crew Factory parka, but it's definitely a lot less. I think this is regular price $65, but if you buy like 2 items, you get the second one for a higher discount. You could even get like a second color in this and get this one, get one for really inexpensive. And I thought I'd quickly throw in J.Crew really quick because they're having, I think it's either 40 or 50% off the entire site. And this scarf, I had this last year and they brought it back again this year, and I'm so happy about it. So this comes in 3 different like colors, like in a plaid pattern, and it's like 40 or 50% off, which is so great. And then it has like the fringe detail, but I think these two paired together is like the ultimate holiday like casual style. So up next is H&M. They are having a site-wide sale as well, and I already shared this one in my Black Friday haul video, but I wanted to show again. I'm going to try it on for you guys and show you what it looks like. As I mentioned, I reordered this in a size up because it just did not, this is too tight in the shoulder area, and I just even have on this thin Henley, so I definitely say to size up a size, just because it'll be a lot more comfortable. So, but I think the jacket itself is so cute. Has this like fuzzy like Sherpa lining. You could cinch in the waist area, so it's very flattering, and it fits like width-wise. It's just that like in the shoulder area it's uncomfortable. And then it has the faux fur trim hood. Then up next from H&M, I have this red off-the-shoulder sweater. I think this just looks so gorgeous. It just screams holiday. Like, if you wear this to a holiday party, it will just be such a standout piece. And it's so comfy though too. With the shoulders, you just have to watch though. Obviously with off the shoulder sweaters, you just have to watch like when you lift your arms, you might have to adjust it a few times, but that's just what comes along with wearing an off the shoulder sweater. There's really no way to avoid that. Yeah, I think this is just such a classic piece. I love it so much. I wore this in my holiday luxury gift guide, and I just think it's just a stunning sweater. Up next is American Eagle, and they are having a site-wide sale as well. Pretty much I guess everywhere is having a site-wide sale. This is my first pick. It's this hooded sweater. So I usually obviously do like hooded sweatshirts and stuff, but this is like a dressier option if you want to wear something so like cute and casual. And it has the hood in the back, and I just think it's so cute. I love it tucked in with some jeans and some cute flats for the day. Up next is a scarf from American Eagle, and this one is so cute because of course I love the colors in it, but it still remains like such a great neutral for your wardrobe with like gray coats or like camel colored coats. I think this is great, and the weight of it is nice. It's like not so heavy like you feel smothered by the scarf, but yet it's fluffy enough to where it's going to keep you warm and like bundled up. So American Eagle is this sweater dress. This is running a little bit short on me. I'm 5'7" for a reference, so if you're any taller than 5'7", this would definitely be like way too short. But if you're shorter, like 5'7", it's going to be cutting it close like it is on me. It just depends on where you want to wear it. But if you're under 5'7", you're going to be fine. But I have it on with over the knee boots, and this material is so soft. It feels like a fuzzy blanket. Like, I'm not even kidding, it's so soft. Up next is such a pretty coat. I think it's just so festive for this time of year. It's this gorgeous red plaid coat. It's definitely one of those standout coats. Like, it really is the statement of your entire outfit. So you could just wear everything basic and neutral underneath, and then do this pop of like red plaid on top of everything. And I just think it just pulls any look together if you want to go all neutral. So gorgeous coat. If it's true to size, this gorgeous sweater dress. It's again so comfy. I just wore this one recently and it was so nice. I traveled in it and it was just beyond comfortable. Or just wear it for a casual day and it's just gonna be so comfy. I wore it with over the knee boots and I think it's so cute. Just wear it with like a pop of color with your bag, and that way it's more like monochromatic with a pop of color. Up next is Abercrombie, and they are having such a great site-wide sale too. First thing are these loungewear joggers. I have them in like this red stripe. I thought I got the matching top to this, but I didn't get it in my order, so I don't know what happened there, but they do have a matching top, and you guys, these joggers are amazingly comfortable. I mean, I can't even begin to describe how like buttery soft they are. So they're so great for just lounging or for pajamas. I have this like silky like texture stripe going down the side here just to add something cute and more like dimensional. But I did pair it with this thermal. This is from Urban Outfitters. This is actually on sale too. I mean, everything's pretty much on sale, I feel like. But this is like a knotted thermal top. These are so popular on their site. It comes in so many different colors. If you want to check this out, I'll have the exact link to this one below as well, along with everything as I said. But yeah, I'll put the link to this matching top in case you want to check any of it out. But this even looks cute though, like kind of paired together. But I'd probably do this if you wanted like a thermal on these joggers. I would do like the cream in this color or like red. Up next from Abercrombie are these plaid pajamas. They're separate, so you order them separately according to size, which is great because you could tailor it if you need a different size in the top or in the shorts. They just scream holiday and I think they're so cute. I didn't get these recently. I got these a while back. I did a Abercrombie haul a few weeks ago, I want to say, on my channel. But I thought I would show them just because they're so cute for the holiday season. And they have like this little like satiny ribbon, like red ribbon here, and like the red sides here as well. Another piece from Abercrombie is this Fair Isle sweater. I think it's again so cute for the holidays, so festive. And I just realized when I got this one in though that I feel like I have an almost identical version from last year. So I'm probably gonna have to take this one back because it's obviously not serviceable for me to have two of pretty much the same sweaters. But I thought I'd still mention it. Again, it's such a great fit on this. It feels very warm and cozy. It's not a scratchy fabric or anything like that. And one more item from Abercrombie I wanted to show you guys. I got this one a while back too, but it's definitely worth mentioning because this is such a great staple for your like winter wardrobe, or really just anytime for loungewear. They're button down Henleys. Always come out with them every single year and I love them. I just love a good Henley. I think they make such great like pieces for layering with everything. But I got it in gray and then I got it in blush as well, and they fit so nicely. I'd say if anything, size up if you're in between sizes. And the last thing I want to show you guys is from Old Navy, and I recently did an Old Navy haul on my channel, but this piece did not come in time for it, so thought I'd mention it now in case you want to check it out. But I do have a recent Old Navy try on in case you're interested in their Cyber Monday sale. So all the stuff is pretty much what they have now. So but this coat right here, this does run a little large, so I would say if you're in between size down, but it's so cute. It's like a teddy coat in this gorgeous rose color, and I love it so much. Again, it's just great to throw on with a basic outfit and you just like totally elevate your whole look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the try on portion of everything I talked about in this video in the description box below for you guys, along with the sizing info. And now I just kind of want to review and recap and give some other sale favorites as well. The first deal is on SPANX leggings. I found so many great deals on SPANX leggings, so I'm gonna have them listed below for you guys. Everything will be in the order that I talk about it, so you could kind of find it a little bit easier. SPANX leggings are so popular. I finally ordered myself a pair and I'm so excited to try them out and, you know, wear them and see what the hype is all about, because I've heard so many great reviews on them. So can't wait for that. So if you've been eyeing them as well, or if you just want to get another pair, I found so many great deals on them, so I'll have them listed below for you guys. Another great sale happening is for T3 hair tools. One of my favorite curling sets is on major sale. A clamp curling iron and even my hair dryer. So those are all on sale. So I thought I'd mention because they are more of an investment piece, but It takes off a big chunk of money when you get them on like a Cyber Monday deal like that. Another one of my favorite beauty brands for skincare especially is from Tula. It's one of my favorite skincare brands. I literally use like the cleanser and the moisturizer like every single night. It's in heavy rotation in my skincare routine. If you're wondering what to get, my top picks are the face cleanser. So good. It really gets your skin super clean without stripping it of oils and drying it out because I have some pretty dry skin. Also recommend the Aqua Infusion moisturizer. That's great for a lighter moisturizer that's not like so thick and heavy like other ones that I've tried out, but it still gets enough moisture into your skin to where it's not like flaky or anything like that. If you want to step it up one more level and you have like super dry skin, the Hydrating Day and Night Cream is a must-have. Just great for overall like pretty much any skin type. I also found some great deals on Patagonia. I recently got a Patagonia jacket. It's like white and fuzzy and it is amazing. Like I love it just for that casual everyday outfit. I got it in white just so that it would go with everything. So now that it's on sale, I wish I kind of got mine on sale. I had to pay full price for mine. And Sperry boots, which I've been kind of wearing with that, like the snow boots, I found those on a really great deal too. I have a pink pair and they are so comfortable. They're one of the most comfortable pairs of boots I've ever worn. So I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna highlight for now. I'll have a more in-depth Cyber Monday sales blog post for you guys in case you want to check that out. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything at all that I mentioned in this video or any video requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.